in the whole Nigeria to release and work for the release of innocent Biafrans are being dumped, just like they dumped our leader Nnamdi Kanu. They dumped them in prisons across the whole Nigeria. They've not committed any crime except they want to be Biafrans. They have the right to self-determination. So we've engaged these attorneys, and I thank them, Biafrans thank them for their sacrifice, which they've volunteered to do for Biafrans. Based on what they saw when they visited this individual in Amawabia prison in Oka or close to Oka, and these lawyers, they saw so many Biafrans, innocent men and women, sitting in this prison for nothing. And they, on inquiry, discovered that they've not committed any crime except they want their own nation. They want to be Biafrans. And President Tinubu and Christopher Musa giving orders to their terrorist people, the legitimized Southeast governors, they are Ebubago, the terrorists wearing Nigerian military and police uniform. They took away all these our men and dumped them in prisons across Nigeria. We thank these lawyers for stepping up, not out of money. We can't even pay them, not out of anything, but out of conscience. When you are a leader and you watch injustice and you watch where innocent individuals are being clamped down, thrown in different cells, when you watch the Nigeria state with their armored vehicles parading the quiet and innocent communities in Biafra land, when you watch those things and you keep quiet and you think it's right, history will judge you. Whether you are young, whether you are middle-aged, whether you are old, when you watch this type of injustice, because Nigeria want to continue to milk the natural resources, the oil in Biafra land, and you keep quiet, history will judge you even to your grave. So we thank this team of lawyers that have stood up for the United States of Biafra to go from prison to prison to look for Biafrans and other innocent citizens that are incarcerated by the Nigerian state just for speaking up, just for demanding to be who they want to be, self-determination. We are engaging those individuals, and we're going to sign the contracts in the next few days for them to continue to do what they do for Biafrans. We thank them so much. Again, Biafrans, we've secured our Washington, D.C. headquarters for the United States of Biafra. It is signed and sealed. Just be on the lookout for the inaugural day for this office. We are going to let Biafrans know ahead of time so that Biafrans can go and open up this, our Washington, D.C. office. That is what we've been looking for. We are a nation. And everyone here knows that most of the embassies, most of the head of mission, most of the offices represent countries, different countries in the world is located in Washington, D.C. That is the right place for our headquarters to be. And we've secured one, and we thank all the Biafrans. We thank the Foreign Affairs Department for the role you play to make this happen. We also thank the attorneys on ground in Washington, D.C. that helped us to ensure that this is the right thing to do at this time. Also thank our private lobbyists that are ensuring that Biafrans go home in the next 3 to 6 months or even 8 months. Thank you so much.